Hi guys, I'm Dash and this video is going to be all about Plant Origin brand new product, which is the Plant Origin Sweet Almond Courier Oil. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few ways to use the Sweet Almond Courier Oil. So first of all, you can actually use them by itself. So for example, you have dry skin or you have like sensitive area like your elbow or your heels, you can apply some Sweet Almond Courier Oil to the areas and can actually help to soothe and also moisturize the skin. And for your ends of your hair to prevent like split ends, you can also put a little bit of Sweet Almond Courier Oil to like moisturize the area. So the next way to use the Sweet Almond Courier Oil is actually to combine it with essential oil, because sometimes essential oil can be too potent to be directly applied on the skin. So you can use the Sweet Almond Courier Oil to dilute the essential oil to apply it on the skin. And another favorite way to use the Plant Origin Sweet Almond Courier Oil is actually to do your own DIY massage oil. So what you can do is just open up the cap, pour a little bit onto your palms right here, and then once you have the adequate amount already, you just add a few drops of the essential oil. Then you can just mix it together, and what you can get is a very beautiful yet lovely kind of feeling, and it smells absolutely amazing, especially when you choose your favorite Plant Origin essential oil. Okay guys, so I hope y'all learned something about the Plant Origin Sweet Almond Courier Oil, and make sure y'all check out down in the description box below, because we will be sharing a blog post, more information about this and also more massaging recipes and blends with our Plant Origin essential oil. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!